Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to attach an image in AutoCAD. Attaching images in AutoCAD is a very common workflow for architects, engineers, designers, surveyors, and students who need to reference visual material directly inside a drawing. Images are often used as tracing references, scanned sketches, floor plans, logos, maps, site photos, or conceptual guides. But many beginners confuse attaching an image with embedding it permanently into the drawing file, and that distinction actually matters a lot in AutoCAD workflows. When you attach an image in AutoCAD, the software references an external image file and displays it inside your drawing workspace. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to place the image. At the top of the interface, click Insert. What the Insert section contains: the Insert tab manages external content such as images, PDFs, blocks, references, external assets. Under Insert, click Attach. What this does: this opens the File Selection window where you can choose an image from your computer. From the File Explorer, locate the image you want to use. Select it and click Open. Supported image types: depending on your AutoCAD version, common supported image formats include JPG/JPG, PNG, TIFF, and BMP. What happens next? After selecting the image, AutoCAD opens image attachment settings before placing it into the workspace. You'll now see several settings, including insertion point, scale, rotation, and angle. The insertion point controls where the image will initially appear in the drawing workspace. Scale controls the image size inside the drawing. Rotation changes the orientation of the image. And angle settings further refine the image orientation during placement. Once the properties are configured, click OK. Now click on the workspace where you want the image attached. What happens after placement? The image becomes visible inside the drawing area and can usually be moved, resized, rotated, referenced during drafting. What you just did: you imported an external image reference, configured placement settings, positioned the image inside the AutoCAD workspace, and added a visual drafting reference to your project. You integrated visual reference material directly into a CAD drawing environment. Why attached images are useful? Images help designers trace accurately, visualize concepts, reference real-world layouts, speed up drafting workflows. Attached images are often raster graphics. That means they are pixel-based rather than vector-based. Why this matters? Raster images lose quality when enlarged too much, are best used as references rather than precise scalable geometry. To summarize, attaching an image in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and clicking the Insert tab at the top of the interface. From there, clicking Attach opens the File Explorer where you can select the image you want and click Open. AutoCAD then displays image attachment settings such as insertion point, scale, rotation, and angle, allowing you to configure how the image will appear inside the drawing. After clicking OK, you choose a location in the workspace where the image will be attached and displayed. And that's how to attach an image in AutoCAD. The biggest thing beginners overlook is that attached images are usually external references, meaning file organization matters a lot if you don't want broken image links later. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.